Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to get a job in real estate. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make a career change, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose the right real estate course. It's important to select a course that aligns with your career goals and is valid in your state or territory. Look for a reputable course provider with good student reviews, a long track record, and affordable fees. Step 2. Prepare your CV. Highlight your communication and interpersonal skills, even if you don't have direct real estate experience. Use real estate terminology and keep your CV concise and professional. Don't forget to include references from former employers who can vouch for your people skills. Step 3. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking and job hunting. Copy your CV onto your profile, connect with colleagues and managers, and ask for endorsements or recommendations. Set your status to open for work and keep your profile professional and engaging. Step 4. Start applying for jobs online. Use job boards dedicated to real estate vacancies, such as realestatecareers.jobs. Customize your cover letter for each application, highlighting your passion for the industry and relevant skills. And finally, if you land an interview, be prepared. Research common interview questions for real estate agents and dress professionally to make a good impression. Remember, getting a job in real estate requires dedication and persistence. Don't get discouraged by the competition. With the right preparation and mindset, you can achieve your dream career in this exciting industry. That's it for today's vlog on how to get a job in real estate. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real estate related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck on your real estate journey.